morning.
It is Friday, March 19th.
Woo.
And we are representing our Spirit Day.
Can they tell what color we're wearing? It's kind of dark, but
It's dark green. It's not like bright green like these.
It is a shade of green.
It is. And we wanted to represent our green St. Patrick's Day colors. So we loved all of your pictures. They were awesome. So thank you for sending those in. But I'm getting into our announcements and stuff before. I'm going all out of order.
That is okay. I'm sure they're just as excited.
You have to wheel me back in, Miss Mata.
Woo. So are we ready for the flag salute?
We are. Here you go. And let's have Miss Mata. Are you going to lead us? Of course you are. You always lead us, right?
I will. I love leading. Okay, everybody. Put your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right. Well, yes, thank you. And as I was saying, we were excited to see all your pictures. We love when we could have a Spirit Day, and it just so happened our Wednesday fell on St. Patrick's Day. Speaking of which, Miss Mata, were you able to catch the little guy?
You know, I put out my trap. I even put out some Lucky Charms cereal as a trail to try to catch them, but too fast. Just like we said last week, they just too fast.
Too fast. And I did not find the pot of gold. Did you?
I got fake coins, but that doesn't work at the store.
No, it doesn't. I wonder if any of our friends, did any of you guys catch the leprechaun?
Maybe they did. They probably have some more ideas, better ideas than we do.
Yes, but last week I saw, was it last week or last weekend? I saw it rained. Maybe it was the weekend. I don't remember. Everything's a blur. There's beautiful rainbows because of the rain we've had, over the last couple of weeks. And I thought, I bet if I follow that rainbow, there'll be a pot of gold. Yes. But I didn't have time to follow it, and it probably would have not been there by the time I got there.
That's true.
Anyways, boys and girls, I know we always say this, but this really is going to be a fast assembly because we just have information to share, some exciting information. I'll go first and then we'll have our special news. But I just wanted to remind all of you that we are in March. We have one more solid week before spring break. We say it every time.
Fast.
So fast. I was fast. Did you even see me? I ran around in a circle. You didn't even see me.
Fast.
I know.
It must be all that running to my office and then coming back. You've just picked up speed.
Faster. I did. And the stretches help. Mm-hmm. So one more week before spring break. So make it count. For our middle school, your report cards are being mailed out next week. So it is your last quarter. So keep working hard. And then some other extra exciting news, if you haven't heard, we are reopening in a hybrid model for our pre-K to 5th grade. Wow.
So exciting.
And all of your parents, and we understand some of you may stay in a full distance, which is totally fine. And some of you have opted in for the hybrid model to be here 2 days a week. Both are great. Both will be taught well. You will not lose out. And just know your parents made the right choice for you. And every parent has that power to make the right choice for their own child. So whatever your parents chose, again, is the right choice for you. And we support it. Whether you're hybrid, whether you're full distance, we support it. So just a reminder, because we have one more flag assembly. And do you know after that, and don't worry, we're not going anywhere. We're still going to do our flag assemblies virtually because we are safe. But when you come back on the first day will be April 6th, which is a Tuesday for in-person, and we'll be welcoming back Ms. Mata. And I'll share more about this next week, but we'll be welcoming back our preschool special ed, our TK, and our kinders.
Wow.
And then the week after will be our first and second, and the week after that will be our third, fourth, and fifth. And we still don't have any word on our 6, 7, 8, but we'll keep you updated should anything change.
We'll keep you posted.
So that's some exciting news that's going to be happening. Other than that, I think it's time for da-da-da-da, Miss Mata.
Ooh.
She does that so well.
That's the only move I got. So I gotta I want to try it.
You gotta come up with something. I can't do the whole. My
You
kids
did.
No, it's like not the right way. Yours looks so much smoother. Yours looks cool.
I try. Doesn't always work, but I try.
You're doing a good job. You're doing a good job.
Yes. Well, we are focusing on safety, which is so ironic because with us making all the plans to come back on campus and some staying home for safety reasons, it's kind of ironic and kind of perfect timing that we're focusing on safety this month.
Absolutely.
So, whether you are at home or whether you plan on coming back, the 3 W's apply. Because when you go out of your house, if you need to go on errands with your families, or if when you're coming here on campus to pick things up, or even to be on campus, if that's what you choose, Ms. Romero is showing you what you will probably most likely have as an option to wear.
For sure, a mask.
For sure, that's number one, wearing a mask. And then everybody's getting that very cool shield. I have one floating around here too somewhere.
Yeah, and it even fits over glasses, which is really cool.
Yes, I'm going to show you because I have glasses.
What? We get to see one with glasses.
In case you didn't know, I wear glasses all the time. See, mine is a little bit different.
We have those ones too. You have a different one, but even these ones fit over glasses.
Yes.
Ms. Mata, if you started talking like a robot right now, it would be perfect because it looks like you're wearing a shield.
Well, but of course, it probably won't happen because now we want it to happen.
Yeah, it won't.
Yes. So wearing a mask, that's number one. And if you remember what number 2 is, washing your hands and putting sanitizer. I've got 2 bottles going on in here. So wearing a mask, washing your hands, using sanitizer, and then watching your distance, not getting too close to people. Can you count those fingers, everybody? That's right. That is 6 feet apart. So those are some 3 easy ways to help you remember ways to be safe. So we are also looking for students to honor at the end of the month for being safe. So keep practicing all of those wonderful things. Do you see them practicing?
I see them practicing. I see some of them laughing at us.
I don't know why at all. We don't ever do anything silly.
Ever.
No.
Well, 3 W's. Those are great reminders, Ms. Mata. Thank you.
Yes. And I think that's it.
I think this maybe is a record breaker fast assembly.
I think you're right. Going along with that theme of speedy fast.
Going along. So we're excited, and there is just a lot of great things happening. Remember, if you have any good news, send it in. It's been a little crazy lately, so we don't have any good news. We always have good news, but we don't have specific good news to share today. But we will. Don't you worry. Next week, we will have some good news.
And maybe what we could do is we could actually open it up to the students, They could email you or me, Miss Letty. They can call because maybe you have some good news that you want to share. So go for it.
That is a great idea, Miss Mata. I'm really glad I thought of it.
Yes.
She fell for it. I thought of it. You thought of it. I know. Great idea. That's good news. Okay. Yeah, so email us your good news. Any grade. Any grade. Okay, boys and girls.
About school. It could be anything. Maybe you got a new bike. Maybe
you had a new baby brother or sister.
That is good news.
Maybe you got an A on a test.
Even better news.
Or maybe you worked so hard that you changed your grade from an F to a C, which is good news. Good news.
We'd love to hear it.
Okay, boys and girls. So let's keep on going and let's start with our exercises and walk it out. And reach for the ceiling or the sky if you're outside. And touch your toes. And reach for the ceiling again.
You kind of had like a little rhythm going on right there in the beginning.
I was going to say, wave your hands like you just don't care. Look at Miss Mata. Okay. And roll your shoulders back. And roll them forward.
Oh, my shoulder cracked.
Did it? And roll your arms like you're going somewhere. And roll them back like you just don't care. Okay, I'm getting a little silly. And now, Ms. Martha, you have more moves than your little. Yeah, you guys see that?
That's a rhythm. It got me.
I think I had a good rhythm.
You did.
Okay, I'm not very good at that. Okay, now run it out. Run. Okay.
That was speedy fast.
Roll your head and roll it the other way, but don't roll it too fast or it might roll off. Okay, and a big breath in. In 1, 2, 3. And again in 1, 2, 3. Are you ready, Miss Mata?
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Wait, let's see. Gotta make sure
You know what we should have done, because she had to get the letters today. I think we should time her next time she leaves them in my office. Or did I leave them in my office? Either way, when they're in my office.
You're pretty speedy fast.
I know. What do you guys think? Next time I'm going to time her. I agree, you guys. I agree.
No, I'm still working on being safe. I don't want to fall or.
Oh yeah, you're right, boys and girls. Probably a bad move. She might end up like tripping or something. Okay. In 1, 2, 3. I can and I will have pride in myself and my school. I can and I will have a positive attitude. I can and I will make wise choices. I can and I will act safely. I can and I will. I can and I will. I can and I will. You got this, boys and girls. Make it a great day. The choice is yours. Keep working hard. Have a safe weekend. And we will see you
later. Bye-bye.